quality fish action figure, guys.
Fins and tails.
Wow. Oh, nice. What is this, guys? Super duper premium quality parrot action figure, guys. Action figure. Wow. Now what is it, guys? Oh, guys, this is lion.
Bye bye. Už se mi klicne z očí. Baba. Všechno v ní.
Premium quality lion action figure. What is this, guys? This is military series missile car.
Mounted on Ashok Leland JC.
Super duper premium quality. Now what is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is Flashman, guys. Super duper premium quality Flashman action figure. What is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is super duper premium quality wood guard action figure. What is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is Royal Bengal Tiger, guys.
No other animal inspires as much awe as the Bengal tiger.
Premium quality Royal Bengal Tiger action figure. What is this, guys? This is army helicopter, guys. Premium quality army helicopter plane. What is this, guys? This is Batman, guys. Premium quality Batman action figure. What is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is Thor. Premium quality. Thor action figure, guys. What is this, guys? This is Thanos, guys. The super duper premium quality Thanos action figure, guys. Now what is this, guys?
drives you forward. It's the Force. The Tatra Force.
Look at this, guys. Wow, guys, this is panda, guys.
एका नाम सीनो और एक थी झुन्नू
For premium quality panda action figure. Now, what is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is super duper premium quality Spider-Man mask.
Nice job, kid.
Thanks. Well, I could have stuck the landing a little better. It's just a new suit.
Premium quality mask, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh, guys, this is super duper premium quality Iron Man mask, guys. Premium quality mask. What is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is Superman, guys. Premium quality Superman action figure, guys. This, guys. This is Ant-Man, guys. Super premium quality Ant-Man action figure. What is this, guys? This is aeroplane, guys. This super duper premium quality aeroplane action. Creature action figure, guys.
Forward point.
Wow. What is this, guys? Oh, this is mini live action figure, guys. Premium quality. Now, what is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is Captain America action figure.
On your left.
Captain America. What is this, guys? Oh, guys, this is healing area jeep, guys. Super duper premium quality bicycle, guys. Now, what is this, guys? guys, premium. Quality. Oh guys, this is mini Gonda action figure guys. Super duper premium quality. This is mini tiger action figure guys.